Welcome to Great Safe Channel. In this channel, we will show you the testing machine's operation. Now, I will show you microwave oven resistance tester. Applied in EN15284. Our smart control system has English and Chinese interface. In this video, I will show you how to calibrate this apparatus. First, precondition the container in water. Cool them to 5 degrees below ambient temperature. Ensure the oven is at ambient temperature of 20 degrees. Then press confirm and the machine will record the real-time temperature. Put the container onto the balance. Press confirm to input the container weight. Add 1,000 grams of water to the container. Press confirm to record the total weight. Pour 125 milliliters of water into each water container and place at the back of the oven. Try to operate the oven until a temperature 5 degrees above ambient temperature and input the time of operation. You can use our smart design thermometer to check the water temperature. It is now ready for test. The power output has been determined. The machine will calculate the times needed for energy value of 7,000 joule for short period and 8,000 joule for long period of test. Thank you for your time. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and you will get the latest testing machine information. See you in the next video.